Hello, boys and girls. How are you this morning? Hope you're ready for a new sound. I'll give you a hint. It's the first letter of the alphabet. It's the number one letter in the alphabet. What do you think it is? Think, think, think. Use your brain and think. That's right. It's the sound A. Big A, small A. And it's the letter A. The name of the letter is letter A. Before we start guessing some new words that start with A, let's watch this video to check the pronunciation and, you know what, get some new words that start with A.
A. A. A. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Anchor. A.
Okay, did you practice your pronunciation? It's very easy. A. A. Okay, let's think of words that start with A. Let's start with the bug. It's a very small bug. We always find it in the garden and it's black. What do you think it is? It's an ant. Ant. Okay, now something that we eat. It's a fruit. It could come in many colors. It could come in green, yellow, red. What do you think it is? Apple. I love apples. Okay, a person that goes to space, gets in a rocket and goes to space, really up high. What do we call him? Astronaut. It could be also a girl, Men and women can go up in space. Okay, now I want you to think of something that starts with A. It helps sick people go to hospital. What do you think it is? Ambulance. That's right, ambulance. It has this iconic sound. One last thing that starts with A. It's an animal. It's big and scary. What do you think it is? It's not a crocodile, but it looks like it. It's an alligator. Alligator. Okay, so we've got ant, apple, astronaut, ambulance, and alligator. I want you to think of things that start with A. I want you to look around you and maybe you'll find some more. Bye.